Hey guys, welcome to another video. I'm really glad to talk to you guys again today. So in this video today we're going to look at the daily market action for the June 15th. So we will be going over how each indices performed today. So we'll be looking at Dow Jones, Nasdaq and S&P 500, and as well as few stocks that outperformed or went down today. So let's take a look at the indices chart today. As you know that the market was under pressure in the morning and it slowly recovered and ended the day with green, which is a positive sign. So if you look at this is the daily chart of Dow Jones, and this is NYSE, and this is S&P 500, and this is Nasdaq. So in the daily settings, I don't like it, but it gives you a lot of noise. So let's switch to the weekly settings and see the little bit bigger picture. So if you look at Nasdaq, it's still trading well above the 50-day moving average. I thought that it's going to test this line today, but it's still trading well above that line and closed almost top end of the today's trading range, so which showed a lot of strength, and as well as it's outperformed with 1.4% gain today, so which is a good news. So if you look at the Dow Jones, it really tested that today the 50-day moving average. It found support right there, then it bounced and it closed at the top end of the day as well, and it posted a little over 0.5% gain. So if you look at S&P 500, it is even impressive because it found support at the 50-day moving average. Then it found support as well 200-day moving average, and it regained the 200-day moving average, and it closed well above that line. So which is really impressive for the day. So I thought that it's going to now break down in the morning, but it slowly recovered and really it put together an impressive rally today. If you want, you can take a look at NYSE, which is like now runs closer to Dow Jones. The Dow Jones is only 30 stocks, but the NYSE is like a composite index as like Nasdaq. So it reflects now more stocks trading in the NYSE exchange. So if you want to now compare NYSE, that's fine, but I really don't pay much attention to it. But it's a really good one compared with the Dow Jones because it has more stocks than just the 30 stocks and are put together in Dow Jones index. So let's take a real quick at today's market recap in the website. And if you look at the gauge, we have almost 350 stocks, over 50 stocks in an open position today, and among them over 300 posted gain and 55 went down, and one stock got closed because it is not posting 5% gain within 3 weeks, and just 2 stocks got stopped out today. And if you look at the overall health, more than 260 stocks putting gains among the 359 overall, and 98 at the red zone or in the loss. That is a stat, and over 200 stocks is posting anywhere between 5 to 379% gain. And here is a list of table which has each stocks categorized by the price range. So you can click on these hot links and go over each stock. And here are a few stocks which went up, and these are the top losers today. And we will be taking a look at few stocks on them a little later in this video. And here is a quick heat map which shows how good the market was today. So if you look at, you can see more green and then more red, so which is a good news. So the market went up overall today. Also most of the stocks went up as well. So the first stock that we are going to look at is GSX. It posted almost like $10, and it rocketed like almost 21% gains for the day. So it added to the tracker on 6/2. So within a week or so, it's like posting over 40% gains in 6/2. So this is a good stock. It's still an open position, so hopefully it will run up a little bit more higher from here. And the second stock we're going to look at is NVAX. So it's posted almost 12% gain today, and it's consolidating right here, but it posted over 12% gain today. Oh, this stock has an impressive run. It was added to the tracker when it was trading around $11 on 318. Since then, it's posting over 375% gain, which is like now it's consolidating. So hopefully, it will consolidate from here and offer another entry point. So the next stock that we're going to look at is CHWY, and it's really not trading well ever since an IPO. I think it is forming a second base right now, and it went down a little bit today. It posted little over 1%, 2% gain losses today. So even though it posted losses, it's still over 50% gain since 318. So as of now, if you look at the chart, it's consolidating around this area, and hopefully I believe it might offer another entry point. So overall, the final thought, the Dow Jones found support at the 50-day moving average, and the S&P 500 not only found support at the 50-day, it also regained the 200-day moving average. So it looks like things got bottom out for now. Let's see how things behaves from this point onwards. But looks like the market may not break down in coming days unless something drastic things happen. So let's see how things plays out this week and coming days. Thank you guys for watching this video. I will see you in the next video.